Your connecting flight will commence in 2 minutes.
back, Wishy. You've rinsed my sauce for the very last time.
Thank goodness for that.
This is now a China diner. And with all the money from Uncle Hoover, what's his name? A check laundrette. The washing go has washed and went. Future food. Goes washed and went. Probably just as well as the washing machine was broken.
Really? What went wrong with it?
Well, you know that hamster you used to have?
Ian? Used to have?
Yes. I think he caught him with a load. He went out with the wash.
Oh no. Poor Ian.
Never mind, at least he died in comfort. How was he really cooking up a storm?
One problem, Mum.
Yes.
We can't cook.
I know. That's why I've invested your money in this.
Oh, what is it?
This is a fully automated rapid takeaway machine. F-A-R-T.
A fart machine?
Yes.
Well, it is one long poo after all.
It was very expensive.
How does it work?
Well, simple, a bit like you, really. All you do is speak into the hole, tell it what you want, and push the button. You try doing it.
Virgin on the ridiculous.
When have you heard Twanky and Virgin in the same sentence? No! Anyway, where were we?
Yes.
Tell what you want.
Yes.
Wooden chair from balls, please. And press the button. And watch. Comes out of the hole.
Whoa. Who was that?
Oh, that's your doctor, Mr. Robot. Don't worry about it.
Okay, what's next?
It's time to get saucy.
Oh, I don't want to see this bit.
There you go.
Oh, can I have a go?
No, you'll break it.
I won't break it, will I, gang?
Go on then. Tell me what you want. Go on.
Okay. Ooh. Chop suey.
You've broken it.
No, I haven't. Have I, gang?
Sounds like a blockage in the hoisin sauce pouch.
A blockage in the hoisin sauce spout. You try saying that after 3 pints at the morning.
You have to get it out. Go on.
How?
Oh, put your head in.
Oh.
Put your head in the hole. Go on. Try it again. It's broken. We need somebody who's good with their hands. No good machine. Have to get in the machine. Come on. Climb inside to fix it.
Oh. Okay.
Come on, get in the cart.
Yes.
It stinks, the poor fart stinks. So come on. Hurry in, son.
Yes, ma'am.
Boys and girls, shall I push the button?
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
Oh, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, it's got me by the noodles. Oh, I'm too young to die. Oh, it's just frittered my banana. Oh, my word. Oh.
Aladdin is dead. Trapped in the cave forever. But so is the lamp. Curses. But don't you worry. I've got plenty more tricks up my wizard sleeve. I think I'll make a start with breaking Widow Twanky's heart. With the sad news of her son's untimely demise. I love being evil. Swanky.
Not got another Prime Minister, have they?
No, much worse than that. There's been an earthquake in East Hartree.
An earthquake?
Yeah.
East Hartree?
It's totally destroyed the area. 30 quid's worth of damage. Much worse is your son, Aladdin.
My son? Go on.
A foot in front.
What did you just call me?
He was stood on the precipice.
The piece of what?
The precipice, the edge of the cliff. Suddenly, with a seismic shock, he stumbled on a bossy rock. He lost his footing and tumbled lifeless, crumpled, bloody heap.
What are you saying?
He's dead.
Dead? My rabbit! Dead! D-E-D, dead! No! No!
Mum?
Dead!
Who's dead?
You are!
He's alive.
If he had his way, I would be. He trapped me in the cave of shiny things.
The foolish boy has foiled my plot. Don't you worry. That's not all I've got. I'll get those twankies, don't you fret. I haven't even started yet.
Where's that wee Daddy gone?
Don't worry, Mum. He'll be back for this.
Never mind rusty old red eggs.